Before buying InVideo, there are 7 important things you need to know to make sure you're making the right decision, especially when you compare it to other video creation tools on the market. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing how you can get an exclusive free trial that's only available through the first link below. First off, InVideo is a powerhouse for anyone needing quick, professional videos without the steep learning curve. If you've tried other video tools like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, you might have been overwhelmed by all the options. InVideo simplifies things, offering drag and drop functionality and an intuitive interface that lets you jump right in. If you're looking for speed and simplicity with the ability to produce high-quality videos, it stands out. Next thing, the templates. InVideo gives you access to over 5,000 pre-made templates, which is a huge advantage over many competitors. With other video editors, you often end up wasting time starting from scratch or settling for mediocre templates that don't fit your style. InVideo offers a wide variety of templates across different niches, whether it's social media, business, or YouTube, making it easy to create something professional in just minutes. The third thing you should know is its stock library. When you're making videos, especially if you don't have your own footage, you'll need access to quality stock images and clips. InVideo provides an extensive stock library with millions of assets, including videos, images, music, and more. While competitors like Canva have decent stock libraries, InVideo offers a far more extensive selection, making it the go-to for content creators who need to quickly source high-quality media. The fourth thing is customization. While InVideo makes it easy to create videos using templates, it also lets you go deep with customization. You can tweak almost every element in your video, from text animations to color schemes to audio levels. Many competitors, like Animoto or Promo, don't give you the same degree of freedom to fine-tune your videos to your liking, which can be frustrating when you want something unique. Next thing, InVideo's collaboration features. This tool is particularly beneficial if you're working with a team or have clients you're creating content for. It allows for real-time collaboration, which isn't something you'll find in many of the other video creation tools on the market. It's perfect for teams that need to share edits, offer feedback, or make changes instantly. The sixth thing is pricing. InVideo offers a very competitive pricing structure, especially when you compare it to more traditional video editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, which charges a hefty subscription fee. InVideo gives you more flexibility and value for the price, especially considering the quality of its features and the ease of use. Plus, when you sign up through the first link in the description, you get the best offer available, so definitely check it out. The seventh and final thing is the customer support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video creator, you'll need good support when you're stuck. InVideo offers excellent customer support with helpful tutorials, a robust knowledge base, and quick responses from their team. This is something that many other video editing tools often lack, leaving users frustrated when they encounter issues. So, if you're serious about creating professional quality videos quickly, InVideo is an excellent choice. It balances ease of use with powerful features that make it a standout among its competitors. Remember, if you want to try out InVideo for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and access exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Get started now and see why InVideo is one of the top choices for content creators worldwide.